So, what is React and why exactly would you use it? Well, if we visit the official webpage, react.dev, we get an answer. It's a library for web and native user interfaces. So put in other words, React is a library for building user interfaces. That's what React is all about. And as it turns out, it's a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. But that, of course, still doesn't answer the other question. Why would you use it? And the answer can be found if you visit a web page that uses React, like for example Netflix. As you navigate around on such a website, you'll see that all these transitions are super smooth, pretty much instant, and you never have this effect where you seem to load a new page, so where you seem to wait for a new page to be sent back by the server. To some extent, it therefore feels like a mobile app. Because in mobile apps, getting instant feedback and having smooth transitions is pretty much the standard. And it's libraries like React that help us build such user experiences, such user interfaces for the web as well. Because React, since it's a JavaScript library, uses JavaScript in the browser to update the page and the user interface we see on that page without reloading the page. JavaScript can do that because JavaScript in the end runs kind of in the background of a website, and JavaScript is able to read and manipulate the web page after it was loaded. So JavaScript can, for example, make sure that as I click on the Movies tab, it fetches the movies data behind the scenes in the background without reloading or leaving the page, and it then updates what I see on the screen with that movies data, leading to that smooth transition between those pages. But wait a second, since this is all JavaScript in the end, why do we need this React library for JavaScript? Because, as you will see in the next lecture, where I'll compare using just JavaScript to using libraries like React, working with just JavaScript, of course, is an option, but it isn't a great one. It's cumbersome, it means more work for you, it can be more error-prone, and especially if you're building more complex user interfaces and more complex applications, like this Netflix web app, then using just vanilla JavaScript, so without any library like React, would just be a huge pain and wouldn't be a very realistic option, to be honest.